In this video, I'll show you how to keep characters consistent in Kling AI when creating multiple AI videos. First, create a clear reference for your main character. Decide on the character's important features, such as hairstyle, facial appearance, clothing, age, body type, and overall visual style. When writing your prompts, keep these important details consistent. Avoid describing the same character differently from one scene to another, because changing key features can cause the generated character to look different. If you have a suitable character image, use it as a reference whenever the available Kling AI workflow supports image-based generation. A clear reference image can help establish the character's appearance before adding movement. Next, create a base character description that you can reuse in your prompts. For example, you might describe the same hairstyle, clothing, facial features, and overall appearance every time the character appears. When creating a new scene, change only the details that actually need to change, such as the location, action, camera angle, or lighting. For example, if your first scene shows the character walking through a city, your next prompt can keep the same character description while changing the environment to a forest. This helps you maintain the same core identity while creating a different scene. You should also avoid making unnecessary changes to clothing, hairstyle, or facial features unless the story requires them. After generating each clip, compare it with your reference. Look at the face, hair, clothing, body proportions, and overall appearance. If the character changes too much, refine your prompt and try again. For longer projects, create a small library of reference images and consistent character descriptions so you can reuse them across different scenes. This technique is especially useful for AI storytelling, cinematic videos, YouTube content, shorts, and social media projects. The goal is to keep the character identity stable while changing the environment and action around them. And that's how you can improve character consistency in Kling AI and create more connected-looking AI